500 Dong note.
This is the 500 Dong, and its journey begins with precision printing.
And carefully bundled. Finally, the finished bundle is wrapped, tracked, packaged, and secured.
This is the 500 Dong, and its journey begins with precision printing.
Before printing begins, the polymer material must be precisely prepared and aligned.
A precisely formed transparent window becomes part of the note itself, adding another layer of security.
Every sheet is inspected before moving forward, ensuring the security features are correctly positioned. Specialized inks are prepared with precise consistency before they reach the printing press. The first printing pass begins, building the intricate visual layers of the banknote. Layer by layer, the banknote develops its complex printed patterns and security details. Precision printing adds layer after layer of extremely fine detail. Controlled pressure creates specialized printed textures that can be felt on the finished note. Optical inspection then checks the printed features with extraordinary precision. Finally, trained workers perform a hands-on inspection before the sheets move to finishing. Each finished sheet receives its individual serial markings before the final finishing stages. Precision cutting separates the finished notes while keeping every edge perfectly aligned.
The finished notes are then counted into precise groups of 100.
100 pieces are aligned together to form a single finished packet. Precision cutting separates the finished notes while keeping every edge perfectly aligned. 10 packets, each containing 100 notes, are brought together for the next stage. Together, the 10 packets form one controlled bundle of 1,000 notes. The completed bundle is secured with a precision paper band. The bundle is then sealed inside protective wrapping for secure handling. The sealed bundle receives a machine-readable tracking code before final packaging. The protected bundle is then placed inside a reinforced wooden transport box. Once secured, the wooden box is closed and sealed for controlled handling. A final handling mark is stamped onto the wooden box before secure storage. The sealed box is moved under controlled conditions to secure storage. Here, the finished currency package waits securely for its next stage.